when it comes to a year delivery now, as now, I will mind Ghana, health insurance, cover. So who call government hospital? Na a referral and year refer watch as a condition near critical. Na baby, I want a free. Obeka was swap Ube na wo banner. Now when Chiesi Kakra sister, may I tell you say and do 100 cedis. Okay. Obi Obeka say health insurance and you but it's working. I'm not doing a campaign for the government, but I idea AC. Se usika sembe kosra. Ye won robi wa insurance no cover. Ebi a per condition unya a certain treatment. And some ye diama wa diama kola na no dia wo beto. Enti so dia kola ni kwose incubator mu no wo se otua bibi ka. Na enye incubator na ye di ni kwose bi ka. Na mom no ebi a there are certain things bi a kola no wo de be ye no anase mpanye bi a wo de be ma no a be ma na pomudin akosho no na wo se omutua. But no kra na ye emergency no e wo theater ho no. Ye di country ti akola no mu wi a ye de mu bills e de abrɛ mu
akwa sonko enkoma wa wo hwe me sabre e wo tuma GHS so na ene de me no wo e ka say eye C𝓪ught den simbi ababatu edwa chese me no wo ka say e de eye Effia Nkwanta hospital wo mo eye 48 hours say wo momra bonten na wo meme kyerɛkyerɛ enwoma bi emu emfamfa eye abaye bi aneba ayira an aje se wo mo ekyire ma akwada na wu esusu enya de se emu no wo motimi di ama eye maame a wokora akwala na boso menkuno ekokɔ wo no ewo eye ayaresabia eho no ma wo kyire ma so wo ma amade a wo mo oni ni team wo mo evidence a wo be expose eye hospital na ebusia form se do de nsem no etu edwande esewani esese ye ka ede ejob a wo mo kyima hospital ne je eye akwada no a wo mo ehwe no ma ne wo ye no mo se akwala na wo no ne ye premature baby enu nti won tue sika pupu duro bi ansa na matimi de nkwada no ayeden ahye incubator wantimi antwenti ade ekye na kese mo beka kye abaya ne se ne ba no awu wawu na mama mi hu me ba no na makoma nto me yem na mi hu sampa akwada me hu no nie na emom eye wato na nanom e wonse adu a eno na akwakoye twema me ntwen ne C𝓪ught ede na no ato nsem na busua man gotie ne nsem no emfa emraye ba ye beto aso.
Listen to me well. Na akora no no ya onyem ye de ne ko eye kwesibintim say no sibia ni contraction after ni yimuni ade no wan hwe obewu sisi a omo dilating na so na sebi be 5 centimeters so bibisa ye fa nko eye Effia Nkwanta okuduru Effia Nkwanta no straight delivery omo deliver akora no wie baby girl no and na omo ka say the oba we or premature no beto incubator ma they need to pay 180 Ghana cedis ma men no ni akora no they have nothing. The next day no omo be catch small girl we are wa no say and then ma me say akora no is dead. And that they have already taken the baby to the mortuary. Now, this young lady said, let me see my baby dead. My dead baby. I just want to see it. I just want to see it. And after that, whatever you guys want to do, you can do. Because I delivered this baby. It will be good for my heart to just see my baby. And I'll be at least at peace that I gave birth to this baby and she died. Now the question is, so be able to hospital and the body what prevents the hospital from letting them know or see Sakurani before whatever procedure or process they pass that baby through? No, they pass it through. Now they said they have taken the baby to the mortuary and they are going to bury the baby. Now the other thing they told these people, and they say, "Sir, small girl winning mommy." Demanding to see the baby, they will have to pay money to go to the mortuary. They need to pay money to go to the morgue. The next day, she wants to see the baby. The nurses, the hospital administrators, I'll show all of them. They told this girl, say, she has to pay money before she can go to the morgue and see her own dead baby. So the next day, the doctor said they have written some medication for this girl to go pick and go home. And that the lady or the young girl, the new mother and the mom should go to a dispensary to go and take that prescription. Now, something surprising happened. That is where it clicked, said there's something going on. When they went to the pharmacy in the hospital to go and just take their medicine, the person at the pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, looked in the records, and they could find no records of this lady being admitted at the hospital. Nothing. No name, when she was admitted, when she's been discharged, what she was suffering from, why they are writing this medicine for her to go home and go take. Nothing on this lady. It got to that point, then the administrators and the bosses at the hospital said, oh, they will take care of the hospital bills and that they should give her the drugs for her to go home for free. This is a lady you people told her, said she needed 180 Ghana cedis to be able to put her daughter in an incubator. She couldn't afford it, so you told her the daughter is dead. Now she goes to the pharmacy, give her money, give her drugs. Her records are not there. Then they try to now argue, start asking questions. The hospital in Penifort Bahamas, right now there, your bills require free. Where do you free? Jake Neko. Suddenly the baby is dead. Suddenly the baby is at the morgue, at the mortuary. You need to pay money to go see the baby. Suddenly go and take medicine. Your nothing is in the system. Suddenly take the bills, take the drugs, go home free. It's very sketchy. Nkwanta. In Penifort, this lady, her name is Priscilla Na Nole Ama, Deputy Head of Administration. She is aware of this matter. I need answers. Because we have discovered something I don't want to say today. Because I know some people will lie. The second person is this. This man is called Joseph K. Tambil, Medical Director. Effia Nkwanta, he also knows about this issue. The next person is this. Justine Amolati. She is the head of nursing. The head of nursing service. Justine Amolati. She also knows about this matter. I'm giving Effia Nkwanta Hospital 48 hours to tell us how this baby got missing, how a mother delivered and never saw the baby, how the baby could not be put in an incubator, how at the end of the day there were no records about this lady being in the hospital and delivering, how you people said she should walk away without any bills, and how you guys cannot tell us why this lady could not see her baby. And Effia Nkwanta Hospital has been in the news for these things for a very long time. We will get to the bottom of this. We know a lot you people think we don't know. This young lady has the courage to still be in school while she's pregnant. I don't blame her. She's doing her best. She comes, delivers, and you tell her the baby is dead. You people say she needs to pay. Are you crazy?
No, other for said, no. Upon say, Mamma mia wumeba, I feel move ye, much red with their mamma say, and minko I a year hospital, no drugstore, or no minko na min coffee, na min concon. Mekoya, me quack so and I say, Mekoya me D and new system, eh? Nay, any system, no more dear, and Nessican and more pie, Jenny, dear, Chilesam, Baba War, Hanama, Bear Wood. Nanny, and no affair a year here, no. And yes, no. Now I was here, Empress and our Hanumai and no, Ebedo and Sonu as go. Empress, my father. Yeah, we have a call. Joe, yet Crystal, I said, now, oots ye, and someone a yak of Vintilla, a devil to Jaya, oh, share a quine as they say, a year, a hospital, you know, one more at done, no matter a dinner. Then I'll also.
A queer man was said, no, a year watch her food. I remember somewhere womb and it said. Near a Kelvin, a camp on someone, a yadidada, and ya someone a failure BSc. Oh, a sissy and pen debris, a swan, and ya confanochi teaching hospital, Crampuno, a better just about Frebin Susan, teenagers, our power, and my non son in back, yes, you will we and share your banner, the abo Freya Yabisine. Ah, if you show why your coach doctor in Nessa, say what tonton of free. Okay, what's your say? Not as I will honor more dear, we are the almost I na send saying na abofraba hospital bewo na wo si akwala na humi ana send den ensisi so yenti no wo de ne kwhye incubator mu a wo ba be kan different story apia ye nyina no ya wo bio ya kwa ya resabia ho no mo ye nim se ne awo no etie se oba tan ana so pemfo ko na ye kwje na wo na ne ba ho mfa no a ye de abofra no kwhye incubator mu a You was sikatua or what will bet you but enya abra wo maame no abra wo ho mfa wa na say wo nipa bi eniho so wo nipa bi e wo ho no mo a ono ana ye beka chen so kwato we koye say the form we fakọ ha fakọ ye say mo fili we munye say what ya say enti no nipa na wo ne bae no ye man hu in and out send ye tie wo hu what friend was saying I remember my sister C𝓪ught recently I work na me didn't copy more Kolebu maternity ward other ward your man inducement yeah what did she say never ya one never ban some ya you didn't copy a theater we were there so what I say or we ye pe and a doctor no be catch nurse be catch so wawo or ba na ye hu nipa no or say wawo or ba what I say enti no omo people akola ne ho ni ade nyina wie no ena maame wode maame ne ba na maame ne ho mfa no di kan hwe no akola no pre di kan ba word ansa na maame ni mpo ba ye den ebe ba word enti wawo oba ni nyina ne enim so oba wo ba ye na ye be ma na wode ne ba ya nke enim se ne ye de na because mo ka say yo ba what you say na maame ne so wie no ye ma ne hu ne ba no se ne etie oba tan bia ade se CS ena ye wo na se wani ngusu a wo hu ba ba se wo deliver o normal delivery na ye kwa wo so a ye de ye na wo wi a ye ma hu abofra ko a owo no oyo ba wu oyo be ma wu ansa na ya pepa ne ho asiesie ne ho asiesie wo maame hu de wa ko word ne de oba nso ye den aba be kan ho even theater ho no kra no omo ye recovery ward a e wo ho no a wo wi a nya so wo wi ya ne de ko word de bi wo wi a another bed wo ho no ye recovery ward a ye de moto ye do maame ne beto ho ahwe wa pomudin se ne sifa etie efa ansa ne ye de wa ko ward ankasa na wo firi a wo ba ye maternity ward no what you say ni nyina so ba no owo nchen enti wo ko a wo ne oba ni nyina ebo ansa na nurse aba wo pese ye bo na sumu ma o ya bo no ansa na nurse foforo kra ba ward abefa oba na kodwane no sa wo wo theater ye pepa kola ne ho ye nwaale no oba ward e na ward nurse edwane oba no ho ede ye de ede ma enti sa kola na wo na mo ka try ye say mo di akola ne ko se incubator mu a why na di akola ne ko clinic mo ne maami ana se be ma no ne we no e maami na de ne ko ye onya we se mo di akola ne ko eye incubator mu
no compare so won chase cancer ne di akola na ko enya sa nche se no na abaya na enya sika from chade e be ka
when it comes to eye delivery na as now e wo man Ghana mu health insurance e cover se wo government hospital na enye referral ye refer wo ache se wo condition ya critical na ba bia wo awo no eye free obekwa wo so akwa wo be wie na wo ba no na when tue sika kran sister me I tell you say do 100 cedis obi wo ho beka say health insurance enye djuma but it's working I'm not doing a campaign for the government but I dia esie se o sika sembe ko sora ye wonuro bi wo ho insurance no empofa e bia pe wo condition no wo hia a certain treatment and some na ye dia ma wa dia ma kola na no dia wo beto enti so dia kola ne ko she incubator mu no wo se otua bibi ka na enye incubator na ye di ni ko she nika na emom no e bia there are certain things bi akola no wo de be ye no na se mpanye bia wo de be ma no a be ma na pomudin akosoro no na wo se omutua but no kra na ye emergency no e wo theater ho no ye di country ti akola no mu wi a ye de mu bills e de abrɛ mu ama makwa akotua mu kotua wi a eye wo mada no ye do be kwa akola no sa akola na hu odin to the extent say wo se wo feeding na ye be mu ama akola ni nufuo ansa na wasi akoda wo even class ye you ma akofi a wo ba be makola ni nufuo e wo hospital ho so what are they saying
na yentie bra eya ye nua be medi nchimu tudwa na je se bra che se ye ka che ne se ne ba na wu na mo ma me hu me ba na ansa krampo na wo de wo kra me hu se okay wo ba me wu no ne se na no wote ne mo mo je se much ho na ye fa ne nko no so just wo chie sika ansa na ya mana kwa akwohwe ne ba wa wu no fine mini se sika na me de kwa akoye afemu o discharge mi se mi nkofie no a me nkonkonkoto no me ko ye ana che se ye bo anwoma ye bo ya na che se mi di ni system ni enti obi ani di ni system ni na makache ne se ne ba ewo na che se bibia ensho se ni pay abeda hospital ho ya gina wo ama na wo ama ne ba ewo ama ye na ko eye mod no na se nka otue sika na na se nka wotimi nya sika ne de maye ene ho nko ne banka sa sika ni na ekọ hin
Effia ye na Ghana ha adwuma bia foul play wo ebi mu didi omo enyansa mostly no lady na some na esi no me I've experienced some in a big hospital me dey me akasa me friend call ye accident ma ye treating no a na wasi ye di ni ko theater na ni din upon records musica ye tua the following day before theater ni nyina no ye theater payment I wasi ye ko tua ansa ye de na ko theater no na ye call ye na ni din ni records enti no me hu sa me hu sa mo mu die di ntimi so mentia the actual amount me catch on say so pa ye na be ye hu dede because me tia say nipa no admission and I have receipts approve say metua na wo catch me say me go different department go tua yes in the system what are you saying what I say amount for the thing bro from when you first it can happen say it's true and say it's true say eya okọ admission no watua enema ya wa 5 cedi bia wo betua Effia with insurance anya say bibia ye free a wo koda ho keke ye wo bi wo ha ye 5 cedi wo kotua ye be ma receipt ye wo bi 10 cedi wo kotua ye be ma receipt ye wo we 5 cedi wo kotua ye be ma receipt enema bi wo ha wo tuatua ye ma receipt and aside no patient word that ye don koto ho no book bi wo ho kura within wo ye check you wo ho until there is nothing on back try girl me say ni din system na the hospital one wa meda ho ofiri baby na ba ye ofiri abontin e mo aba bet na ho no no ka say and ni din anyway no na it's never done anywhere e was say o ma hu say e ya bofra no say ene no amanfo ye niam bi a wonti ase people are doing unimaginable things what you say na me I don't know ni enti a eye mo amako school na ye training mu as professionals na mo ton mo nimdie na amako akosua nyansa nyame dia ma mo ton ade die ni mbuase say sakola no mo hu ni se wo sha enti wo je ne be free ni nsem asem bia ma I don't think say e be yesa akola bi wo ha wo sha wa kwawo de ba ne mama ne papa any di nachi e na be ma no ni nyin say enso e bia na be ma no so resume responsibilities ni nyina so mani di achi ye ntimi ye mfo bi ba sa wo hia akola wa fichire kura ye mfa ne sa ka different ne yesesa ngrofo kogu baby ye mfo bi ba sa enti no baby omo di akola akono kono e na sa wo hospital na akowo na wo bawu a Effia wo maame no na wontimi hu ba na wawu na papa ya wo ba no e wo se wo hu akola wo maame fo ni ade mo hu akola no baby yenye na yie yenye baby yie ti se ne obi ewu a ye de ni ko hye fridge mu ni ade no se maame ni ho na ne bagu a ye de ni ko ekoto kodru ye de ni ko to kodru oda kodru na mo chefo be fa no na mo kwa ya wo bia bia ya beka so we de oye baby kiti ya mfa ni mefie me ya hwe enti na ho na ma tadaka e wo ho na de na hye no ma pa kosie wo wi a no ma befie abusua na yesa nya mo chire men e na yesa adwuma no
nya hospital
no de sua o we nya efu a wawu a ye hu ne hu nipa o we nya accident fun bi a ye de aba na ye hu nipa no ba bi ofiri na ye ka se we de aban ne kwakwa akosie mass barrier we de ye akosie there be where your family maame ne wo ho so maame ne have the right to see the body say me babe enti ma hu anya hwe kura nya mi fa okra ensie yie kwana san bra biem ba hye me na maame no ni na busua kope ba bi obo bekwa akosie wo de hye na wo kyena bi wabeko ho no de akwa kasam na mo kasa body ni nti no ko mo chiri ko tueska adan ye ne da obi wu a ye de ne koto mo chiri sika be ni etia wo ho ye ni ne yakoso wo mo chiri
Embrace ye bre no ayina aye ebre a enisa na so ye di yankomo no esi no with government hospitals no na mostly ayane in some way de esi ewo no ususu se den ye betimi aye abresa anoma no ase na wo futo bi de ma doctor na nurses for na wo de atu edwane ebiem so wo mo kwa wo so no wo futo nsim bia wo de ama wo mama wo ani adabo ni mfa
samba kwa meka kire omo ene se makosua die monhwe nieme bi yie na monye nieme bi yie e na sense san ye beba na san niema we nyina ye ntibia ejina moso doctors and nurses utimi ko OPD na OPD nurse akotna ward bon komo odi kwakonsa OPD nurse patient aba na wo WhatsApp ye TikTok when ye niema bi a any come professional mo good professional ni wase na mo hu se enipa nkwa ne ye bia mama no Mamu fa bibi answer normal all the time who say microphone you see say nobody is nothing. Every people ba wo mama anasa papa be pa copy baby the same treatment and ye de be ma no what is say when you enje ho. Na afei so no afutu a me so me de be ma oba time no ne the family ni say edu baby ni e beti nsem bi say ya na hu sa kwala no na ye ka sempre wani nsen ni ade nti ya ko ne bra de ama no ni ade a na emwa sa oba ko fa ni nsen ya no wato bo no ahwe no aboa no akwanya se nyina so na bofra na owo na ba wiase no unim obi ebrempon ahyase unim ni oba ba ya mamu daache na ye nyina ye nsesa yesu ene ye ban a ye pade a ye bra ye ho asenya na ye nya wi a ne aya homaso ne ye kire se ya ne ye ne boso
wase na ebusuafo aha ene de nkomotwetwe no esi wonso waje nchen fa bra beto your comment section like your videos na share on all the social media platforms media ene Effia sikapa maka